Hey viewers, welcome to YouTube channel Soul Scripting. This channel will help to script your life. Time management refers to the process of planning, organizing, and controlling how one spends their time to effectively accomplish tasks and achieve goals. It involves prioritizing tasks, allocating time for each activity, and making efficient use of available resources. Effective time management helps individuals maximize productivity, reduce stress, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Setting priorities. Time management involves identifying the most important tasks and allocating time accordingly. This requires prioritizing tasks based on their urgency and importance. For example, a student might prioritize studying for an upcoming exam over watching TV because academic success is more critical at the moment. Creating schedules. Productivity often hinges on having a structured schedule. This involves breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and allocating specific time slots for each. For instance, a project manager might create a daily schedule outlining when different project tasks will be completed to ensure timely delivery. Eliminating time wasters. Productivity can be hindered by activities that waste time without contributing to goals. Identifying and eliminating these time wasters can significantly improve productivity. For example, a professional might limit social media usage during work hours to focus on completing tasks efficiently. Utilizing time blocks. Time blocking involves dedicating specific time periods to specific tasks or categories of tasks. For instance, a writer might allocate mornings for writing, afternoons for research, and evenings for editing. This helps in maintaining focus and avoiding multitasking. Setting deadlines. Setting deadlines provides a sense of urgency, motivating individuals to complete tasks promptly. For example, a software developer might set deadlines for completing different features of a project to ensure timely delivery to clients. Taking breaks. While it may seem counterintuitive, taking regular breaks can actually enhance productivity by allowing the mind to rest and recharge. For example, a student might take short breaks between study sessions to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Using tools and technology. Various tools and technology can aid in time management and productivity. For instance, project management software like Trello or Asana can help teams organize tasks and track progress efficiently. You're welcome. If you found this advice helpful, please consider showing your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content. Your engagement helps us continue providing valuable information like this. Thank you.